Today on Cloud3DPrint, we will be printing and assembling a bearing planetary gear. We use our software Cloud3DPrint to create a project named Bearing Planetary Gear. Upload the file for the project and place the parts onto the build plate. Configure slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. Carefully remove the parts from the printer bed and remove any adhesion or supports. Place a rod into the center of the gear, then apply a rotating action to the assembly. This will release any fused material. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Cloud3DPrint to keep up to date with the latest news about our upcoming software.